Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic cottage decor is a charming, romantic decorating style that blends the softness of vintage design with the cozy, lived-in feel of cottage interiors. It creates a space that feels both nostalgic and stylish, like stepping into a lovingly crafted countryside retreat filled with timeless treasures and gentle elegance. Emotional and artistic feel, sentimental and nostalgic, it evokes a feeling of your grandmother's cottage or romantic countryside escape. Whimsical and feminine, it invites daydreaming, solo living, and soulful expression. Charm and beauty, the style embraces imperfection, age, and history. Tips to achieve the look: mix antique stores finds with new romantic pieces. Use chalk paint and sandpaper to give modern furniture a vintage feel. Hang shade curtains to let in soft, filtered light. Display vintage teacups, botanical prints, or heirloom lace. Deeper meaning of fantastic cottage decor. Fantastic cottage decor is more than a style, it is a gentle way of living. It reflects a desire to slow down, embrace simple pleasure, and surround oneself with memories, pictures, and tenderness. It is our faded time meets feminine grace, and everything tells a quiet story. Historical influence: Vintage era touchstones, 1920s to 1950s, sometimes extending into the 60s. It borrows heavily from the English countryside, French provincial homes, and American farmhouse cottages. Inspired by women who lovingly preserved old china, sweet linens, collected heirlooms, and displayed everything with heart. Artistic layers and soulful detail, furniture that whisper stories, not showroom perfect, rusted chipped paint, curved oak, and re-upholstered floral chairs. A distress with checkered porcelain knobs might sit beside a ruffled sheet. Reclaimed or salvaged pieces give authenticity, like a repainted sideboard or iron bed frame found at a flower market. Mirrors of memory, oval, gilded, artist's mirrors, hid light and amplify soft details. Mirrors in fantastic decor are often framed in whitewash, silver leaf, or own gold. Fabrics that feel like hugs: cotton, linen, lace, muslin with ruffles, floral, embroidery, or patchwork. Slipcover in soft neutrals or faded rose prints transform a room into a daydream. Window treatments may feature sheer panels, windows lace, or floral balances. Romantic accessories: candles in old holders, windows picture frames, teacups used as jewelry holders. Collections are encouraged: old bathrooms, ribbons, spools, postcards, or perfume bottles. Old book is stuck beside a floral lamp. Here with the stick. Room by room with the chic cottage touches. First bedroom. Use iron bed, ruffled bedding, layered coils, and mismatched nightstands. Glass perfume bottles on a winter's vanity. Kitchen. Open shelves with enamelware, floral tea towels, and winter stains. With soft blues and creams with pops of pinks or mint greens. Living room. Linen covered sofas, crocheted shows old trunks as coffee tables. Use gallery wall with black and white family photos in antique frames. Bathroom. Use clawfoot tub, floral shower curtains, wicker basket stories, old upholstery chairs. Also use soft bath mats and vintage floral wall tiles. Emotional and sensory experience. It smells like lavender essentials, old linens, beeswax candles. Feels like an old letter in your hand, a breezy through lace curtains, the crackle of an old sheepcote. Feels emotionally warm, nostalgic, hopeful, feminine, and tender. Symbols of vintage cottage life are a store-strained teacup passed down generations, of winter with cozy curtains that flutter with the wind. A hand-painted plate on the wall beside a pressed flower frame, a well-loved quilt folded at the end of a crockery bed. The philosophy of vintage cottage decor. At its heart, vintage cottage decor is not about perfection. It is about personality, preservation, and pitch. It is rooted in the idea that beauty lives in the owned, the weathered, and the well-loved. Every element in the room has a story. Every wrinkle in fabric, every chipped plate, every faded prints speak of time, memory, and meaning. This decor style rejects the fast and disposable. Instead, it celebrates timelessness, sustainability, and soulfulness. Personally, of the style. If vintage cottage decor are a person, he would be dreamy and nostalgic, thoughtful and gentle, artistic and sentimental, gracious and unherited, a collection of memories, not things. She finds joy in pressing flowers between pages, drinking tea from floral china, listening to rain on the roof while wrapped in a lace shawl. Seasonal soul of the decor. This style shifts beautifully with the seasons. Here is how spring decorated fresh flowers in antique chairs. Use pastel linens like blush, milk, soft lilac. Bring it light lace curtains and open windows for fresh air. Summer, add fresh herbs in terracotta pots. Use light cotton throws and floral coils. Display seashells or vintage travel postcards. Autumn, layer warm, rustic tones like muted mustard, faded rust, and soft palm. Include kneaded throws, candles, and winter stains that flower reds. Embrace the golden hour, light with warm-toned lamps. Winter, bring a heavier textures like velvet or tinkernet. Use foxglove throws, vintage brass candlesticks, soft white fairy lights. Decorate with old books, pine cones, or antique ornaments. Core textures and materials: cotton or linen. Breathable, natural, foundational for fabric. Lace or crochet adds femininity and vintage softness. Chippy painted wood brings rustic charm and aged beauty. Wicker or rattan, cozy old-fashioned storage and structure. Iron or porcelain, heirloom quality, delicate yet strong. Common motifs and patterns: roses, symbols of femininity and timeless romance. Birds and butterflies, lightness, freedom, and countryside charm. Wheat and lavender, simplicity and homestead grace. Botanical prints, vintage, scientific or artistic nature studies. Script and postmarks for nostalgia, old letters, and travel memories. Vintage has other styles: vintage cottage, romantic, soft, feminine, and story rich. Farmhouse rustic, more masculine, wood heavy, and earthy tones. Shabby, similar but more pastel heavy and distressed. Cottagecore, nature obsessed, whimsical, youthful, fairy tale tone. Modern painters for cleaner lines, bolder vintage colors, and lace floral. Tips to make your space feel vintage chic cottage. Collect slowly. This style is not about buying everything at once. It is about the journey, flower markets, trip stories, and antique treasures. Mix eras. Combine a Victorian mirror with a 1940s side table and a 1950s teacup. Let eras overlap gently. Let imperfection shine. A chipped jug becomes a vase. A torn lace towel becomes a shelf liner. Beauty is in the flaws. In sentimental items, old recipe cards, family photos, embroidered handkerchief, all hold soul. Create nooks, a reading corner with a floral chair and a lamp, or a vanity with a vintage mirror adds charm and personality. The poetic soul of vintage cottage decor. Vintage cottage decor is like a faded love letter sealed with a rose. It is where the past softly lingers in the present, where every corner holds a gentle echo of memory. This decor style is deeply romantic, feminine, and nostalgic, yet quietly resilient, like an heirloom lace curtain still catching the light after decades. It invites you to live slowly, intentionally, and tenderly. Symbolism within the decor plays fragility, care, and intricacy of a well-loved life. Distressed paint, passage of time, acceptance of imperfection. Floral print for beauty, femininity, natural cycle, and emotional softness. Old books and papers for wisdom, memory, storytelling, and written word as a legacy. Glass bottles and jars for preservation, home remedies, and reflections of the past. Painter's mirrors for reflection of self, time travel, and layered identity. Pressed flowers, fleeting beauty, frozen time, delicate remembrance. The experience of being inside a vintage cottage space, side-fitted florals, sun-washed curtains, candlelight glimmer on glass. Books with curled base, old cloves, embroidered cushions. Harmony of layers, nothing matches perfectly, but everything belongs. Emotional messages, vintage decor themes. You are home. It is okay to slow down. Things don't need to be perfect to be beautiful. Memories matter. There is poetry in the past. How to live the vintage cottage lifestyle. Treasure the little things. A dead flower in a book, a handwritten note, or a ribbon tied later can become a part of your decor and your soul. Practice sentimental styling. Display family keepsakes, inherited linens, or vintage photos not just for style but for love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.